Now that the hustle and bustle of the holidays are over, we have all resolved to get back on track with our eating habits, our working out, and it's time to cozy up the home, which is my favorite part. Even though I'm sad to take down the holiday lights and Christmas cheer, I do always look forward to just giving the house a nice, warm, cozy uplift without spending a lot of money. Most of these items I've had, like this sign I did purchase at Dollar General a year or so, and I didn't use it this year, so I decided to reverse it and apply a stencil to the back. The plate rack I did have for about 15 years. I have a few of them sitting in my garage. So I decided to paint one because I did purchase some new salad plates over the holidays. And they were just so pretty, I could not leave them in the store. And then I decided to give my open shelves a little facelift. So thank you for joining me today as I cozy up my kitchen space. Okay, so this is a dresser that we picked up off the side of the road probably about 10, 15 years ago, and I never really did anything other than added this little bit of material to the front because the shelves were missing the drawer front, so underneath is just storage. Okay, but I wanted to show you the top because I did do a little bit of the oven cleaner method here just to test it out because I know I want to do a finish of some sort, but I really love chippy paint. So I think I'm going to do the chippy paint look because that really just speaks to my soul the most. And here is my plate rack that you saw me paint. And I'm going to show you how I make over this space in my kitchen. Okay, so I got a lot of great Christmas gifts, but this Mackenzie Child's teapot topped the list. I was crying, y'all, like ugly tears. Like it was so ugly I couldn't even post the video, but my reaction was so genuine. I would have loved to post the video, but I was looking a little crazy. Anyway, I'm adoring the French country winter theme I gave my kitchen. I am a very much antique vintage kind of girl. I like things to look like I found it pieced together, like it was hiding somewhere in a farm field somewhere and I discovered it. So if you want to know why I did not iron my slipcovers, that is why. I don't iron in real life, so I'm not going to iron for video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I have some projects that I want to do and share with you in the upcoming weeks. Thank you for joining me.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never